Hi Mansa, what happened? Why you are worrying about?
Hi Devayani. Actually, recently I have completed my graduation. I don't have any idea about internship, so that's what I am confusing.
Arey yaar, why to confuse and why to worry? I'm working in Magneq software since 1 year, so I have a very good experience in that. We have placed many students by giving the internship for 2023, 22 and now 24 also we are running that. We are either your BTech or your degree, whatever it might be, we are providing all IT software skills. So why to wait? You can choose. Why don't you give a chance to choose Magneq software?
Oh, is it real?
Yes, it is real. You just take a chance and you visit Magneq software so that you can complete your internship program.
Thank you so much, Devayani. I just clarify my doubt. Definitely, I have joined in Magneq software.
So guys, now Mansa is ready to visit Magneq software. Are you all worried about 2024 degree passed out to take internships? Don't wait any longer. Now you can visit Magneq software. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.